Hello you guys, this is Christina here and you're watching Paracham YouTube channel. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Guys, my Telegram group link description is down below, even with the Patreon subscribe also. If you guys want to support the channel, you could always join me using the Patreon as well. Alright, so I put out a signal on Doge yesterday, and market seems to be going right direction. Probably gonna break this bull flag really soon. If it's so, I'm expecting the target at least 80% to the upside within spot. I do recommend that we shouldn't be leveraging alts because they always give some kind of fake scam wicks. So with spot, you're just holding it until it goes back to your entry, or you're gonna make profit out of it. So expecting the market to do this move and going to the upside. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Look, we are in a really huge wedge, and basically this is a resistance, and I'm looking at the target somewhere around this area, guys. So if you look at the market, it could be done, and we're probably gonna reverse up to maybe a target around 87,000. All right, that's the possibility. But for now, we're gonna focus on this. But of course, this wedge looking like chart is absolutely um, possible that we're gonna head for a upside. Now, I'm gonna use a. We're gonna check on the daily, on the MACD, right? As you can see, the market still pointing up. I'm expecting the market to point up. The 4 hour still looking for the upside. 3 hour is still green. 2 hours has already trying to flip back up, and the 1 hour definitely is trying to flip back up. All right, so that's the MACD update. And now, guys, I want to talk about this move here. Um, I mean, it still can be a triangle, of course. It can be, just like that. I mean, it could just go back up and then do a three-way pullback and then comes back down, and then it will make a decision whether it wants to break up or it wants to break down. Now the thing is, guys, look, I'm not 100% sure what the market is trying to show us, but if it breaks up, I mean, there's potential that we go 80K, but if it goes back down, right, make sure you buy cheap here. But I just think that if there's a corrective pattern, I don't think that's gonna come a fifth wave down. It's gonna remain a three-ish waves. So that is why I've already been charting this, and I already talked about this. That potential this week here, because the market volatility was too strong, that this week here is kind of like a scam week. If you kind of like think that the week here doesn't exist, I mean, this could be the fifth wave already. It's done, and now we have the five wave up and a three wave pullback, and possibly this we go up again. So overall, I mean, we're just gonna be flexible, but then time to time there's another way that we can take a look at the market is by using a Heikinashi candles. Guys, if you look at the Heikinashi, if you go to the daily, right, just look at that. Okay, so basically if the daily trying to close red, that is the time when you start to take profit, take a lot of profit. And then uh and kind of like if the market makes the second candle red, probably the market is trying to reverse. But sometimes you have something like this as well. So it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely, sometimes we have something like this as well. But the point is, if this close green here on the daily on the Heikinashi candle, then I suppose market might just reverse just like this one here. If we are able to close green, market just might reverse. And like if you sometimes you have no idea when to take profit, just like this. Wait for the market to, you know, become red, right? Closing red candles, then you close some of your position, just like this, right? So every time you see a red candle on the Heikinashi, that means it's a take profit. But for now, we're hoping for a close green and go to the upside. Now, if the candles start closing red right here, right? So when it closed red here, then we could maybe take some profit. And then if it continues to the upside, we hold. But if we start closing again red over here, probably we could, you know, TP all and then wait for it to come back down, because it could be doing a, you know, a three-way pullback, and this here gonna looks like a wave one and wave two, and then to the upside to 100K at least, in my opinion. So make sure, you know, we're gonna take profit all the way up. All right. So let's see what happens here, and we can always use the Heikinashi. Maybe daily is a little bit too wide. We can always use the 4-hour time frame, but 4-hour time frame is a little bit noisy. So if you want the full swing, I would suggest the daily ones. Daily is absolutely okay as well. All right, guys. So I think that's about it, guys. Hopefully you like my video and you like, I mean, learn something. You know, YouTube, there's a lot of tutorial talking about Hikinashi, but maybe in the future I would make a video tutorial about this as well. The candle that using Hikinashi as a confirmation of the trend and removing all the voices, and you know, if you're on a swing from the below, you might just want to hold on to your position, you know, telling that, I mean, give you the confidence that the market is actually reversing, then actually, you know, is it not reversing? We don't know. All right. So let's see what happens on the daily close for tomorrow, and I'm gonna make a video out of it again tomorrow. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. I think that's about it. And thank you very much. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.
忘記 scan。